2015 Hyundai Santa Fe. Customers complaining of the ABS light coming on and off. It's a very common issue on all these Hyundais and Kias. It's going to be the rear bearing causing the wheel speed codes, and the bearing is integrated, or the sensor is integrated into the bearing, so when you change the sensor, it's going to be the whole bearing. I know that sucks because it's not cheap, but I'm going to show you how to do it today, so y'all can save some money if you decide to do it yourself. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can make videos like this to make your life easier. I already got the part. Let's get started. Now, don't get a crappy bearing. That's the SKF. Because you'll be doing it twice. We gotta get this caliper out of our way. So. Good old Hyundai with that arm in the way of this bolt. Some of them are like right on top of it. You actually got to take that arm loose. This one I'm going to be able to get around it though. So, let me go get my electric, Mr. Electric here. Speed this process up a little bit. Even though it wasn't getting on it all the way, it kind of grabbed it just enough to spin it out. Alright, now we got a top one up there. Alright. Gonna lean that out of our way. Now we gotta get this rotor out of the way. Phillips head. Okay, go ahead and unplug it. Press that in like that. Alright, we have four 14mm bolts on the back. And I know this is a little bit of overkill, but let me hit it from a different angle there. And it wants to keep my socket, I guess. Give my tool back. Alright. Now, I'm going to hit the fourth one. That's a weird angle. Come along the back right here. There we go. Alright. Catch that so it don't fall and hit my foot. Alright. Make sure that faces that way, because you can clock it both ways. Get all four of these bolts started. Okay. And dropping everything. Go ahead and hit these other ones. Plug your sensor back in. Sorry if I seem a little rusty today, y'all. Been off the last couple days, so. And my allergies are killing me this time of year. And the allergy medicine I take makes me feel loopy. I trade one pain for another, right? Last but not least, the caliper. Let's get the top one started first. Get in there. All right. If I can get my fat fingers in there, y'all can too. Extension. And of course, make sure they're tight. Alright, y'all. As simple as that. The ABS light should clear itself as long as it's not a defective part. So, sorry about the technical difficulties, but I'm going to cut this video now. I got everything to do, so I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please check like, follow, subscribe. Peace out, YouTube.